Welcome! In front of me I have Acme ACT304 smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smartband with the iPhone. First, you will need to turn on your smartband, and to turn it on, simply plug it into a charger or computer by using this USB plug on the band. Basically, you need to take off the one of the straps, and there's gonna be USB plug underneath, and you can use it to plug in the smartband into a charger or computer to provide the power, and once you do, the band should turn on automatically. After the smartband turns on, we need to download and install the VeryFit Pro application on our phone, or rather iPhone. So let's open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on search, then tap on the search bar and type in VeryFit Pro and tap on search. You should see this application on the list, VeryFit Pro. Tap on it, tap on the Get button to download and install it, and let's wait. Okay, this took a while, but as you can see, the app is done installing, and now we can tap on the Open button to open it. In the application, you might get a couple of pop-ups about the permission. The Bluetooth one is required, so let's tap on OK. The location one is not required. You can deny it if you want. I'm just gonna allow it. And now we have the permission about the notifications. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the band, you need to allow it. If you don't, you can tap on Don't Allow. And right here we can turn on and turn off some of the health features for the application by tapping on the switch and then tapping on Allow. So if you want to use any of these features, you need to enable it and then tap on Allow. And now you should see the app. You can swipe left like this, tap on Use Now, then tap on Agree, and the app should start looking for the device nearby. So let's wait. And as you can see, it found our ACT304. Tap on it. Tap on Confirm Device. And now we can set up the profile. So we can select the gender and date of birth. I believe this is height, weight, and the goals like sports, steps, and target weight. Then tap Next. Okay. Now you should see the home page. You can tap on device icon to open the device page, and you should see your ACT304, and it should say synced at, and you have the time when it was synced, the version, and the battery level. So this means that the band is paired with your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.